Hey there! Today I have a Stitchfix to unbox. So if you're not familiar with Stitchfix, it's an online styling service and I've been doing Stitchfix for probably more than 3 years now and I do really like it. I think out of all the styling services, Stitchfix is the biggest and for me, I like it the best. But anyway, I'll put some information down below in the description box about how Stitchfix works, along with my referral link in case you want to check it out. I'll also put a card up above to my playlist of earlier Stitchfix videos. But anyway, let's go ahead and see what I got in my very large and very beat up box this month. Yeah, so I don't know what happened to this box, but it got pretty beat up, I think, in transit. That's unusual. Okay, so here's what my box looks like inside. So you always get a prepaid mailer, and it's USPS to send anything you don't want back. And you get a packet of information. Okay, and here's a peek at my bundle that I just had to recreate because half the stuff fell out because it's so big. But it looks pretty promising, and I did ask for fall stuff. Okay, so one thing about Stitchfix is you always get some style cards which give you some ideas on how to style things. And you always get a note from your stylist. And yay, as always, my stylist is Holly, and I've been very fortunate to have the same stylist for almost all of my fixes. Okay, and this is actually fix number 33 for me. So wow, 33 fixes, and 31 of those 33 have been with Holly. So she's an amazing stylist that I'm so happy that I've been paired with. So I'm gonna go ahead and read my note, and I'm gonna scan it and put it up above so you can read it too if you want to, but I'm gonna go ahead and read it. Okay, so it does sound like a pretty promising fix. One thing I had asked for, but she said she came up short, was I wanted to try this French mauve tunic blazer that I'd seen on Pinterest, and I think I've seen other people get it in unboxings. It's kind of like something in between a blazer and a sweater because it's kind of a knit blazer. But anyway, it looked really nice. But I guess she couldn't find one. It must be a popular item. But she did put in some animal print because animal print is apparently everywhere right now. So we'll see. Okay, and the first item in my box is this top. And this is just a really soft waffle knit top. So it's nice, but it's not too heavy, so that's good for me because I live in Hawaii. And it's by BRITTON, and it's a size medium, and it's the Billie tie front 3/4 sleeve brush knit top. And this one is $38, which actually that's not a bad price. This is pretty cute. And yeah, I like that it has 3/4 sleeve, and yeah, it has like its tie front. So yeah, I think this is kind of a cute update for fall, and I can probably wear this for, you know, on the weekend. Like it's pretty casual, but I could probably also pull this off wearing this to work, I think. Okay, and next I got this blouse. This is a really pretty color, and this is by the brand Deacon, which I've never gotten, I think, from Stitchfix before. And it's the patty roll tab knit top in burgundy, and it's a size medium petite, and this one is $40. So that's actually not a bad price. It is a tab sleeve which isn't my favorite, but I think it's all right. I like the material. It's a nice polyester, but it's a stretch. Yeah, I like this actually. I think this is cute. It's kind of an easy to wear top. Perfect for the office. Okay, and next, okay, it's another top. And this one is by LUSH. And this one is the Warren split neck blouse in off-white, size medium. This one is $44. So that's also not a bad price. And yeah, I know animal print is very in right now, and this is subtle. So I kind of like this. Okay, next. Okay, here's a dress. And this is also animal print, and also kind of a subtle animal print, I think. This is by KAILEIGH, and I do love KAILEIGH dresses. It's a size medium. And this is the Lilith faux wrap dress in taupe, and this one is $58. So yeah, this is very cute. I like this. And so it says it's a faux wrap. It looks like it has a snap, elastic waist, and tie belt. And the sleeves have like kind of an elastic at the end. Yeah, this is a very cute dress, and I don't have anything like this, I don't think. Okay, and lastly, here's the blazer. And this is by Skyzer Blue, size medium. And this is actually a Stitchfix exclusive. And it's the Hannah Modal Scuba blazer in gray. And this one, oh, it's kind of pricey. It's $88. But yeah, this is a very nice blazer. It's super soft, really soft actually. It's a nice stretch knit. And you'll see it's very nicely lined. It has a pretty print. Of course, you're never going to see this. And it looks like the sleeves are shorter. Yeah, the sleeves look about maybe 3/4. This is a beautiful blazer, actually. I really like this. So we'll see. I don't have anything this gray color. I mean, it's kind of a more cool tone gray. So we'll see. Okay, so that was everything I got in my Stitch Fix box this month. And wow, I think it's actually a really good box. This is really promising. I'm a little worried that this might end up being a 5 for 5, but we'll see. You never know until you try everything on. And I haven't had a 5 for 5 in ages. So maybe I'm due. But anyway, now I'm gonna go ahead and try everything on and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so here is the first top. And yeah, I like this top. It's very comfortable. So it's got kind of a 3/4 length sleeve, and it has this tie in the front. It's just very cozy top, very basic. And I like this color for fall, this kind of an olive green. And according to the style card, she had it with some camel pants and some gray flats. So that's what I've paired it with. But probably wouldn't wear these camel pants with this shirt. I think that looks a little bit too green. I don't know. Kind of look like a green bean, I think. But she also has it paired with some jeans, and I think that would be cute. But yeah, so we'll see. Yeah, I got these camel pants like, I don't know, maybe over a year ago from pretty sure Old Navy, and I've probably worn them once. I don't know, I just haven't been able to figure it out. Okay, so here's the first top. And actually, I really do like this top. You know, it's just kind of a nice basic. And yeah, I have a camisole under because it is a little on the sheer side. And it does have these tab sleeves, which, yeah, it's not really my favorite, but I think it's cute. And let's see how it looks if I tuck it in, because I think it looks okay like this. So here it is tucked in. And I have, according to the style card, just some jeans, and these are from Wit and Wisdom, and I got them at Ross, believe it or not. I think they were like $12 or something like that. And I also have it with these black mules. So yeah, and I bought these mules, I think at the rack, Nordstrom rack, but maybe I wore them once. But I think they actually look pretty good with this jeans outfit. So yeah, it's always good to look at the style card to get ideas. But anyway, okay. So yeah, I do like this top, and I think it might be a keeper depending on how this whole fix goes. Okay, and here's the second top. And you know, it's a very similar style to the first top with the kind of a V-neck and tab sleeves, but it's a totally different look, and the fabric feels more stretchy, yeah? It's a knit, and it's a little heavier. Oh, and the color is different. Totally different print. But yeah, I actually really like this. It's super comfortable, easy to wear, and it's a little bit shorter than the other one, so I think that looks nice. I just have it with the same jeans and same shoes. In the style card, she has it paired with like dark denim, but my dark denims are kind of in the wash right now, so I'm just sticking with the same jeans, and I think they look nice. So let's try also tucking these. We'll do a front tuck and see how that looks. Yeah, I don't know if I've ever mastered this front tuck thing. It's still foreign to me. But I think that looks okay, yeah? So yeah, that'll help hit a little bit more proportionate style. So yeah, I like those two tops so far. Okay, here's the KAILEIGH dress. And yeah, I think this is actually a really cute dress. I love the print. I think it's really nice. The only thing is, it is a little bit big, like the sleeves. Here's where they are. So I've tried like just pushing them up, but I don't know if that looks right. But I do really like it. Other than that, I think actually the length works just right. It's a good length for me. And yeah, I think it's cute. Maybe it's just a little bit big. And I just have it paired with some black strappy sandals that I got from Kohan on sale. And yeah, I think in the style card, well, she has it with red shoes too, but I've been looking for some red shoes. I just have not been able to find any that I really like and that are comfortable. But anyway, yeah, I do like this dress, but it is a little big, unfortunately. Okay, and here is the blazer. And yeah, I think this is actually a gorgeous piece, and it's like so soft. I mean, this is really nice. And I don't know. I do really like it. Yeah, this is incredibly soft. It's so comfortable because it's just so, it's that stretchy knit material, but yet it's lined and it looks very tailored, I think. Holly had suggested pairing it with this dress that I had purchased from a couple fixes ago. And you'll see it's red, but there's some gray in it, and I think that does tie in with the gray blazer. But yeah, I just don't know. Yeah, so we'll see. It is kind of pricey. It's $88, and I'm not sure about the color, if this is a color that, even though it is neutral, if I would be reaching for this. So I'll have to think about this one. Okay, so overall, I would say that was not a bad fix. I mean, I think there might have been some fit issues, but overall, I thought everything looked really nice. Anyway, first of all, let's go ahead and we'll go over the invoice. So for all 5 items, the total was $268, less the buy all 5 discount would be $67. So my subtotal, if I were to buy all 5, is $201. So I mean, that's not bad for 5 items. You know, that does come out to what, $40 per item on average. But I think for me, like I said before, there were some fit issues. And part of the problem is because I'm only 5'1", so I am very short. So certain things, unless it's a petite, you know, just don't seem to hit me right. Like for example, I really did love this blazer, and it's just, I love this material. It's so soft and comfortable. But I think since it's a medium and not a medium petite, I think the proportions just didn't hit in the right places. So, but I think this was very nice. And you know, I love this dress. It's so, the print is really nice and on trend. And I think the length was good, but I could just tell because this is just a regular medium and not a petite, the sleeves are way too long. So I think this is gonna have to go back. This green top, you know, I thought it was okay. It was cute. I mean, I probably wouldn't pair it, like I said, with those camo jeans. It's a little too green for me. But yeah, we'll see. I mean, I think this is something I definitely would have kept if I were going for a 5 for 5, but probably a no if I don't. I think my 2 favorites actually were the blouses. I really did like this top. You know, I used to have a top very similar in this color, but I think I gave it away. But I do really like this, and this actually fit really nicely. It was a medium petite, so proportionately I thought it was better. And I like that it's a knit material, and I thought it just, you know, fell nicely, and it kind of looked cute front tucked. This top I also really liked. I like that it's on trend, you know, with the animal print, but it's very subtle. It's almost like a neutral animal print, yeah? So I could wear this. It looked nice with jeans. You know, you could also wear it, I think, with black pants. So yeah, I think this is definitely a keeper. I thought it might be a little big, so they do have a small, so I'm not really sure. Sometimes I like things, for me, just for comfort, to be a little on the larger size. Okay, so that was everything I got in my Stitchfix box this month. So I thought it was another good month, and this is, hey, fix number 33. I think my stylist Holly did an awesome job, like she always does. I'm always really happy with her selections, and even if they're things that I don't end up keeping, I'm very happy to try them out. So anyway, yeah, thank you Holly again for our fix number 33. Okay, so this is kind of like just impromptu. I just thought I'd do another giveaway since it's been a while since I did like a Stitch Fix giveaway. I think I did one like a while ago, like over a year ago. But actually, you know, I just made 2 years on YouTube. So yes, I've been doing this for 2 years, which is kind of hard to believe. I just started this kind of like as a hobby after my younger daughter graduated from high school, went to college. So then I became an empty nester. I thought, okay, I need to have a hobby since kids were my hobby, right? Before running after them and, you know, all their activities and stuff like that. So that's why I decided to start this YouTube channel, kind of like on the suggestion from my younger daughter. So yeah. So here I am 2 years later, still doing this, but I thought, you know, I'm very grateful to many of you who have subscribed to my channel and watch my videos and actually comment, and you know, it really makes me happy, and I really do appreciate, you know, that the support from you know, this YouTube community. But yeah, I just want to also, you know, just a small token, I would like to have a giveaway for you guys. So I'll put a raffle copter link in the description box. So go ahead, click on the link and enter. I'm just going to be giving away a $50 gift card to Stitchfix. And it's just my thank you to you guys again for supporting my channel. So go ahead and enter. Okay, so that's all I have for today. And now I'm going to bring one of my 2 furry companions to help me say goodbye. And they're both sleeping, and it's another hot day in October in Hawaii. And I guess it's gonna be Kaya because she appears to be sleeping, but her eyes are open. So I guess she's awake. Come, Kaya. Kaya. And here is Miss Kaya. And she's very tired. Even though she has a lot of energy, honestly. Yes. And she also has a lot of knots. We need to take you to the groomer, I think. Yes? Take me to the groomer. All right, we will. I need to make an appointment. I will. But anyway. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of shopping hauls and unboxing videos. And if you enjoy watching those kind of videos, please consider subscribing. And I'll see you next time. Bye now. Say bye.